The Jammu and Kashmir National Conference has announced that it will go ahead with its planned protests at Delhi's Jantar Mantar on July 20th. The protest, which is scheduled for the opening day of the monsoon session of Parliament, aims at demanding the restoration of statehood to Jammu and Kashmir. Now, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Umar Abdullah says that the NC will go ahead with its protest despite the denial of police permission. Senior party leaders, including Party President Dr. Farooq Abdullah and Chief Minister Abdullah, they will leave for New Delhi on July 19th to take part in the demonstration.
हमारा प्रोग्राम बदलेगा नहीं.
Our program will not change. The venue and manner of our program may change, but our plan to go to Delhi will not change. We will not work hiding in a corner.
छुप के जो है ये प्रोग्राम नहीं करेंगे.
And this comes days after Abdullah shared a satirical fake post attributing to US President Donald Trump as part of its pushback to the BJP over the statehood issue. Now, the BJP in turn has announced a major protest over the alleged outsourcing job scam in the Union Territory. As part of the agitation, BJP workers plan to surround the Civil Secretariat in the Kashmir Valley on July 20th.
The BJP will hold a major protest in Srinagar, marching from Lal Chowk to the Civil Secretariat to Girao, the Secretariat, in protest against the National Conference, government's anti-youth policies, particularly the outsourcing of jobs to outsiders. The National Conference had promised 1 lakh jobs for the youth of Jammu and Kashmir but has failed to deliver.
However, opposition parties in the Union Territory, including Mehbooba Mufti's People's Democratic Party, have not made it clear if they will join the NC's protest at Jantar Mantar or not.
The Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Umar Abdullah, has said that they will be going ahead with the protest at Jantar Mantar on July 20th against the restoration of statehood. He will be joined by Dr. Farooq Abdullah and all his MLAs from the National Conference. However, the opposition parties like PDP are yet to decide whether they will be a part of this protest. On the other hand, we've seen BJP calling for Secretariat Girao across Srinagar city on July 20th. There'll be a march from Srinagar's Lal Chowk area till the Secretariat, and they're expecting 10 to 20,000 people joining them for the protest. With video journalist Feroz Idris Sloan for WION World is One.